Everyone loves to explore and try new places, but no guy likes to ask for directions. No problem. With Blue Link Destination Search powered by Google, we make finding new spots a breeze. Let's say you're in the mood for sushi and want to find the best spicy tuna roll in town. Use the Blue Link mobile app to quickly locate some nearby options. Now, here's the cool part. With a touch of a button, you can send your destination directly to your Hyundai. As soon as you hop in your car, the location and directions are waiting for you and ready to go when you are. You can almost smell the wasabi from here. When you're en route, if you need an afternoon pick-me-up and are looking for a quick cup of coffee, Blue Link has you covered there too. Press the Navigation Services button on the rearview mirror and use your voice to start your search. The results are powered by Google, so you know that you're getting accurate and up-to-date information. Whether you're scoping out hotspots in a new city or simply exploring your own backyard, Blue Link Destination Search powered by Google is there when you need it. Blue Link. Navigate, connect, and discover with a push of a button.